Hey there YouTube, MS Firefighter 662 here with another video. It's been about a year since my last one. Hopefully we can get doing it more regular. I got this new Treager Ironwood 650 and got this at the local AceHardware, and they had a pretty good deal on it. Came with a cover, 2 bags of pellets. It's already assembled, and let's see what else it came with. The drip pans. And there was, came with a pack of 3. I think that comes with all of them. So we had some extras that I would have had to buy anyhow. Get this stuff out of here. But yeah, what was cool about it, it's already assembled. All I had to do was throw it in the back of the car, and we're ready to go. And plus we got that 10% military discount. So yeah, put it on the AMX Platinum. So I got double rewards points. So if you don't know about that, check out the video. So here we go. You saw what I'm doing. Got this on-off switch back here. Flip that thing on. I'm no expert, but hey, can't be that hard. It's just a grill. Let's see. On button. Trigger. Welcome to your grill. So see the user guide? Yep. Kind of already looked at that a little bit. And let's hit menu. This first thing says go to auger. We want to prime the auger, and it takes about a minute and some change. And it's supposed to be turning down in there. Let's see if we can get a hold of it. See it actually going. Here's those drip liners that they threw in with it, or came with the new purchase. I'm not sure. By the way, I got 3 of them. And then got this little heat shield kind of clips down here. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see down in it, but yeah, it's slowly rotating. And just got to get all those pellets all the way in there. So that's the auger part of it. And I'll leave this off to see if it starts spitting them out here in a bit. Then we'll hit that prime thing, or the season. There's a couple different schools of thought. Sorry, I keep blocking the camera with my fat fingers. The directions. Obviously, I went through the prime part of it here. And let's sort of zoom back out a little bit. There we go. I want you to put it on 350 and run that bad boy for about 20 minutes. And then from there, we ought to bump it up to 450, run it for an additional 30. And that's how you season this thing. Get it ready to go. Let's see, the pellets, I already threw those in there before I started showing you guys this thing. We're through in the Traeger signature. It's got hickory, maple, and some cherry. And yeah, we're excited. It's got the, I like the Wi-Fi. Oh, yeah, we got some pellets in there. Just pooping out some pellets. The Wi-Fi technology. I downloaded the app this morning. See if we can't get that set up, and I'll try and show you another video later. Prime is complete. Sweet. That's perfect time. And let's go, what did it say, 350? Run this knob right here. 350. I'm trying to look at what I'm doing. Ignite. I think, yeah, push that one. Then ignite. Right now, ambient temperature is showing 86. Pooping out some more pellets. That's cool. I think it's supposed to have some kind of heater in there that gets that pot hot. They call it the fire pot or the chamber, something like that. Yeah, I don't know. I should go get my infrared thermometer thing and see how that's actually getting warm. Oh, guys. Hey, will you put in the infrared thermometer thing, please? Got my helper, and this is MS Firefighters. Going to go bring on the infrared thermometer and we'll see what's going on. I call it my thermo gun. Thank you. Oh, what do you know? I need some new batteries. But it's showing 100 and some change down in there. Let's see that. 100. But I can tell you can smell it there. They're already sizzling in there. like silver. But so yeah, got this thing at AceHardware. Got the platinum points, and got a pretty good deal on it. Compared, relatively speaking, it's $1,000 plus grill, and it was kind of hard to bite that bullet to want to spend that much money, but we figured, hey, why not? It's supposed to elevate our craft, right? That's what it says right here. Elevate your craft. So we're gonna throw some wings on there this afternoon. Get started with it, and yeah. Thanks for watching. But that's the process to set it up, and since it's already put together, and the Ironwood 650. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please log in and subscribe. Quick little video, give it thing a thumbs up. It's not like a dealer super informative thing, but we're gonna make some more Treager videos as we start Treagering. And yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. And that's Firefighter 662 here. Doing everything one-handed because there's no support staff here. I have a cameraman. I'm my own cameraman. I saw some folks that say just go ahead and throw them all in there as they get dirty. You can rip one out, kind of like a tear-off. If you guys ever race motorcycles or ATVs, you might know what those are. Come on. I guess for the first time or two, maybe it takes longer to ignite, but I figured she'd be going by now. So, compared to our other grill, so charbroil, it's a 5-burner. Just cleaned this bad boy down today with a pressure washer. Surface area is relatively the same. This one I think is like an inch deeper. This one might be an inch wider or something like that. But we're not ready to give up on this one. Get this one get a little hotter for doing some searing, and then we still like to keep this one around because got the gas burner out here. We like to set our little fry pot up here for frying some food, so we don't have to do it inside and get the splatter. So we just splatter outside, make the same mess just on the outside of the house. So, mess is a mess. Oh, blocking the camera. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it's getting, I can feel a little lump coming through. So I'm going to close this thing up, let it run its cycle, and there we are. Thanks again, guys.